Hi everyone, good evening to all of you. Hopefully, all are fit and fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. In this moment, I would like to say something about my English skills. How can I speaking English fluently and how can I improve learning English? Okay, so dear friends, first of all, I'm also beginner learner for learning English and I also try my best English speaking journey. Okay, so dear friends, English is a international language and English is a global language. So that's why English is a important language. So that is why I start my journey and when I start my English journey, that time I cannot speaking English fluently. I cannot any single word for in front of camera and in front of people and in front of public place. So now I am English speak English not for fluency but very well speaking English. Okay, so dear friends, you can start learning English very easy process and if you speak in English fluently and you get one mobile phone, I think it's a very important, very important things. And you have one mobile and you also start this journey for learning English very easily. Okay, so you have a YouTube platform and there are so many content for learning English. Okay, so I also try this way for learning English. Okay, so you can try this way for learning English, and on the other hand you can also try video making every single day. And when you spend time that time English core learners and you need to core learners and actually dear friends, listening is the most important, and as well as speaking also important. Actually, uh, four parts for learning English is important: listening, speaking, reading, writing. And first of all, you can start and you start listening. After that, speaking, try to speaking and reading, writing. Okay, so you can reading for any English article and newspaper, and also writing. Okay, so I also try this way, and most of the important things for speaking and beginning time not only very well for speaking, but also you can try to speak English everywhere, and you can try to speaking English for spend time you try to speak English. Okay, so uh, first time your English actually very shyness feel, and it's that doesn't matter. I think beginning time I also beginner learner. Now I am making video for learning English purposes, and I also not for fluency, I also beginning time. Okay, so you can see in my case I also this way for learning English, and day by day our English actually improve. I think you also try this way for you free time video making, and not for upload any social media platform but also making video and continuously making video. Okay, and dear friends, this is the way for learning English, and day by day your English improvement. I think you start for today and not only tomorrow, and today start your journey, and I think you will be able to learn speaking English very well after 3 months later your English speaking very well. Okay, so dear lovely friends, and You can see my all around side. You can see there is a village and very amazing and very mesmerizing scenery. Okay, so dear friends, and learning English actually learn for practically, like now I am standing here at this moment. I also making video for learning English. So for example, learning English for this way, uh, like um, there is a village and there is a paddy field, and my behind side one hill, and you can guess this. There are so many crow and eating something. So and my around side, and there is a lots of sites. I think 15 childrens. There is actually there are playing hadoodoo game. Okay, so that is the way for learning English every single day, and learning English for practically. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.